Hi, my name is Wendell Johnson. I'm an HVAC graduate from Tidewater Tech here in Norfolk. I was in the Army, I did 5 years. I was a specialist, worked as an intel analyst. I always knew I wanted to learn a trade. I was trying to figure out which trade was going to be best for me because I like to work with my hands. HVAC just kept coming back to me like time after time after time. And one day I just squeezed the trigger and was like, I'm going to sign up for HVAC, man. I want to learn it. Came up to the school, spoke to the admin, and they got the paperwork rolling. And I knew right then from the first day I started the HVAC class, like I made the right decision because it's just been like constantly learning something every day. I'm smart enough to choose what school I want to go to that helps me and fits my schedule. And I've already done a 4-year university, and I know that's not for me. You know, I sat in the classroom, you know, I took unnecessary classes, you know, that I know I'm not going to use in the workforce, you know. It doesn't make sense. With the tech school, it trims all the fat off. I know this is where I want to work at. I want to work in HVAC, or I want to weld. Every day I'm going to do that to help make me better. And when I'm done, I go right into the workforce and be able to make money in my pocket instead of going to a 4-year university and I'm $80,000 in debt. And then, you know, I'm starting off at the bottom of the ladder making only $20,000, $30,000 a year. You know, and then I got to work 5-6 years. That's if you get a raise. And then if the company's still there, you may get laid off. And then you're still in debt. That debt stays with you. And I didn't want that debt. I learned more in this HVAC program than I have going to a 4-year university for 2 years. I went to a school in South Dakota, and every day I felt like I'm taking a class that I know I'm not going to use when I get into the workforce. You know, I know I'm not going to use that. So why am I taking this class? And I'm going to this class like, why am I in here? You know what I mean? Like, I'm a grown man, yo, I got kids and stuff, man. Like, you put me in somewhere where I can work with my hands and everything. And some people are not classroom type, just sit in the classroom all day. Like, and I'm one of those people. There's only so much knowledge I'm gonna retain from you talking to me and writing things on the board. Show me what I gotta do. Okay, put my hands on it, I got it, let's go. I gotta move around. If I just sit here, you're gonna lose me. In the military, you can't be lost. It's just like, hey, this is what we gotta do, learn it, get it done. That's the way kind of like the trade is set up. It's like, hey, this is what we're doing, this is what you need to know. This is what, so work on it. And every day we work on it. And I'm already certified. And I know I wouldn't have gotten that a couple years ago. You know, I know that going to a 4-year university, I wouldn't get that. This is absolutely the best decision I've ever made, next to joining the military, the best decision.